I'm Lindie Blackwell, global artist from Canada. So what I have brought to you today is my beautiful model Angela, and what we've done with her is a spin on a color boosting and morphing service. So as you can see, as I turn her head, what we've done is we've created two gradient color changes as well as a lightening effect at the bottom. I think what's really special for me about this particular color was that we used the same base formula, which was 7RR, and just changed the mixology of the at Pure pigments within each formula. So Formula 1, as you can see here in the top, what we've added is at Pure pigments red, as well as at Pure pigments yellow. Through the mid-zone, we've used the same base formula, which is a 7RR, and we've added at Pure pigments red, as well as a few drops of the at Pure pigments violet. And then through the bottom, where we created that color technique of the dip dye, what we've done is we've lightened out the formula and used 9 kg colorants, as well as a full strength of at Pure pigments yellow within. So what we really wanted to show was the way that we can morph and boost the color at the same time. So what I'm going to do is, as I put my comb in, you can really see when I start to lift the hair up that the color changes yet remains the same. So as we see the lift and the light transfer through the color, everything appears to be the same. But as we drop this hair down and comb it out, you can really see the tonality change that we see throughout the hair.